All right, guys, so today we have my 2024 Toyota Camry, and I am going to be doing an oil change and tire rotation, and afterwards I'm going to go and do my alignment on my vehicle. This car roughly has about 35,000 miles and some change. It's not really bad, but I am going to purchase me a K&N filter for both my engine and cabin. Therefore, I can take care of it and never have to replace it. I need my tires to be uh, crossed. I expect that. I don't expect you to have your technician just switch my tires from side to side instead of how they're actually supposed to be crossed. You know, so I just got fed up with the dealership, and I told them that I'm never going to return my car to this dealership to have you guys work on my car. Little do they realize that without the customer, the company is not shit. You know, I understand that there are some customers out there that make life difficult, but at the same time, if you cannot follow simple directions, as in, you know, if a customer is requesting their tires to be switched a certain way, do it. It is that simple. Just do it. You're getting paid. And while we wait for that to continue draining, let's go ahead and take these tires off. The 21 millimeter. Oh, and the dealership that I got this car from is Toyota Katy. So, and they wonder why people hate going to the dealership. I've been on both sides. I've worked at the dealerships and I did not like it because one, they lie to the customers constantly. And two, I was underpaid, heavily underpaid. And on these, when I'm putting these tires back on, I don't zap it on. I put it on enough that it's nice and snug. And then at the end, I do my torque. And the torque is going to make sure everything is up to spec. Don't let these people go ugga duggas on your cars. You're going to stress it out, the lug nuts, and strip it. All right, so now that we got all the tires on, let's go ahead and finish up by putting on the drain plug, throwing the back in. And there's already oil on the housing. So that's the reason why I didn't put any oil on the tip of the filter, because it's already covered in oil. To me, that's just redundant. Now, you just got to put this cover back on the 10mm screws that it comes with. So anyone who's known me knows that I love Pennzoil, but unfortunately, Pennzoil, for some reason, at least they don't sell it in Advance or O'Reilly's, they do not make Pennzoil 016. So Pennzoil, change that, man. Because right now I'm going to the next best thing, which is the Fram. Cover this back up. All right, let's go ahead and start up the car. Went ahead and turned it off. Let's go check the oil level. It's good. I can put this down. Close this up. The torque spec is 76, but I like to always go a little bit extra to make sure that my wheels do not fall off. So I'm going to put it to 80. Go in star pattern. Therefore, you have even distribution. And then there's no chance of you ever having a wheel off. Okay, and lastly, what we're going to do is going to get that oil change reminder sticker. Then we're going to come down to back out. Just, you don't read Spanish, it's just saying oil change required. So then you're going to go to the settings, scroll all the way over until you get to here. Go ahead and hold OK. And program maintenance. And yes, I want to restart it. And now you're good to go.